She's so modest.
We live on opposite coasts, so we do all our business together in email.
So we have to get used to each other's voices all over again.
How did we meet? I called you?
So you go first.
Oh, okay, here we go. Story of my business from rags to riches. I had always dreamed of having my own boutique, and I finally opened the doors of Tulip in late 2002. Yes, a defining moment in my life. I had been following her career ever since she left the Fashion Institute, and Tono Sotono was exactly the kind of label I wanted to carry. I know talent when I see it.
You're sweet.
So there I was, my own shop, several awesome lines, and before you know it, I am way over my head.
Place we've all been starting our own business.
Yes, but Maria showed me how investing in a business solution could actually help give me insight to my organization.
I'd already gone through that nightmare and learned for myself.
I bought a point-of-sale touchscreen system for less than a day's worth of revenue and adopted Microsoft's retail management software. All of a sudden, everything is an automated one-step process. Inventory, customer purchase details. It's what we call the demand signal. Instantly, I am doing more business easier than ever before, and that made me really happy.
And I was happy because your orders went way up.
And it was about this time that people started to realize what I had always known about Tono Sotono. Your turn.
Well, the label had really started to get some attention. Our design team had just moved to a new studio in Chelsea with the line in about 60 retail shops. Because our manufacturing was based in Milan, we could produce on a relatively small scale. But the one clear thing that allowed us to be profitable was Microsoft's customer relationship management. Sales, accounts, quotes, customer support issues, and reports were all in one convenient place, enabling my sales and service teams to work more effectively. Because it was all tied to our accounting system, we never had to print and fax orders like the old days.
And the best part of it all is how easy it was to work together.
The software is integrated with Microsoft Outlook, something we'd both been using since long before we knew each other.
Ordering and invoicing was a simple click and send process.
I watched our lead time in customer order fulfillment go from 6 months down to 4 weeks. And it let me do what I really enjoyed, designing clothes. All right, enough of the past. What's really exciting is where we are today. For instance, your little neighborhood boutique.
Is a Thai restaurant.
Forgive the pun. Tulip has blossomed into a chain of 8 high-end stores in 5 cities.
The Microsoft Business Solution Suite that we put into place was always one step ahead of keeping up with our changing needs. When we added sales planning, payroll, supply chain, web integration, it was a snap. Plus, I can manage it all in email from right here.
Welcome to your office.
Yes. And now that all of our product is marked with radio tags, inventory counts are instantaneous. I get 2 daily reports of each store's sales numbers, just the way I want it, like this.
And your point of sale?
Without even thinking about it, each sale we make is automatically tracked within my retail management system. All right, I have said way too much. It is time to hear the real success story. In 4 years, Tono has gone from an outside sales and service team of 25 to 70. Her line is carried in over 1,100 stores worldwide. Don't forget the little people.
Quiet. Using the entire Microsoft Business Solution Suite, I can service the biggest national chains that carry us, in addition to the niche boutiques like Tulip that put Tono Sotono on the map, without sacrificing any quality in my business relationships.
And their customer service has always been superb.
Not only are we outsourcing our manufacturing to Italy, Canada, and China, we've also purchased 2 accessory companies and a fragrance line along the way. Microsoft Business Solutions has enabled us to become this virtual holding company that we can still run from right here.
Run the numbers on that black crepe dress. It is adorable.
Because we're all connected, we can see day-end up-to-the-minute reports, broken down by stores in Paris, Rome, Barcelona, and London. It's linked right here from Outlook. 174 units sold today, with 355 still on the racks.
Wait, you just made...
Wait. As much of a help this is to us, we share this supply line information with our clients so they can order and track the product all the way from supplier to store.
This shared information lets us know when we need to order more product, when different shipments are coming into each store. It is so important in buying smart and inventory management.
I really feel like we're collaborating in a creative way, and it's all happening between here and there. We're so reliant on these devices. Are we computer geeks?
Hey, if this is what it takes for us to grow our businesses and still be profitable, then geeks we are. Cheers.
Cheers.